another controversial video, and I'm sure I'll get a lot of hate and a lot of comments like, you're lazy, do your job, why do you always complain, get a real job. And once I actually got a comment, if I worked for DoorDash, I would accept any order they sent me. So I'm making this video to tell you why no one should accept the following orders. And I'm placing most of the blame for these orders on DoorDash because it's embarrassing that they would even send these out to a Dasher. And frankly, I'm insulted that they send these orders out. So here goes. Okay, this first order was from Aldi, and it was paying $14.75 to shop for 17 items and deliver them 11.3 miles. Now, at face value, you look at that $14.75, that doesn't look so bad, but you got to break it down. Shopping for 17 items and delivering them 11.3 miles would probably take over an hour to do. And not to mention the distance. First off, this was taking me out of my zone, so that means I would have to drive the 11.3 miles back into my zone, making this total mileage 22.6 miles, which is about 65 cents a mile. Now, a gallon of gas where I live is just under $3 a gallon, so that miles to money ratio is just not worth it, considering the wear and tear on your car also. Now, this next order is going to PetSmart to pick up 2 orders and deliver them 33.3 miles, and they're going to pay me $27.24. Not to mention the fact that this order is way out of my zone, and they want me to take the expressway, the Grand Parkway, and pay 2 tolls, maybe even 3, I'm not sure how many, to get the order there, and then I'd have to drive the 33.3 miles back again. That equates to about 40 cents a mile to deliver those orders. This is an upside down order and just not worth the money. Now, this next order for PetSmart came right after I declined the previous order, and they thought they would be able to trick me. They thought, oh, she didn't accept the order paying $27 to go 33 miles. Let's send her one paying $30 to go almost 40 miles, and we'll add an extra order onto it. And again, they want me to take the Grand Parkway and pay a couple tolls each way. Now, once again, this order is out of my zone, and by the time I do the round trip, it's 79.4 miles, making it approximately 38 cents a gallon. So basically, if you choose to deliver any of these orders, you're working for free. Now let me ask my haters and the people that tell me I'm lazy and I should just do my job. Would you take these orders? I highly doubt you would, and if you asked me, I would advise against it. Like I said, I placed most of the blame on this against DoorDash for even putting these orders out to the Dashers. However, the customer has to accept some of the blame because if you're expecting someone to pick up your order and deliver it to your house, it's a convenience service. So you should expect to tip your driver appropriately. Otherwise, you should just pick up your own order. That makes it easier. Okay, I hope that helps clear things up for customers as to why maybe sometimes your order might take a little longer to get to you. If you're ordering from a restaurant or a store that's 10, 11 miles away, the Dasher's got to pick that order up and drive it to you and then drive it back. So actually the miles are double. So you should probably expect to tip a little bit more for orders going that far versus an order going 2 or 3 miles. Okay, that's all I have to say. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was educational, and we'll see you with the next video. Thanks, bye.